Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for Nadine West. Adventures in Nadine West. Now, if you're not familiar, Nadine West is a clothing service. So it's a monthly or every 2 weeks. You can get a shipment every 2 weeks if you like, or monthly. It's a $9.78 styling fee that you do get back if you were to purchase something. You have 7 days to try everything on and send it back. Now you've got to be careful about sending it back on time, otherwise they will charge you for the whole bag. Now also another tip is to look at your list and compare it to what they show on your account online, because sometimes what you get in the bag is different than the picture that they choose, so that you may need to reach out to customer service and say, hey, you said I have this shirt, but I really have this shirt. And they'll be like, okay. So let's go ahead and see what I have today. You do get to fill out a profile on your likes, your dislikes, colors you don't want, things like that. They do send, this is resealable. See, it has a pull tab here. So anything you don't want, you just put right back in the bag, attach the self-addressed return label that they have, and you're good to go. So here's my bundle, only one bundle this time. So let's go ahead and find the jewelry first. Let's go ahead and see what this is. You do get to fill out whether you like silver or gold, or if it doesn't matter. Ooh, I like these. All right, where's my paper? I just had it. Okay. So the earrings are the Helga earrings in silver. They would like $16.19 for these. Oh yeah, I really like those. How would that look? It's interesting. Yeah, but I do like those. Very pretty. And that's all the jewelry we got this time. And I think it's because I had a fit last time. I didn't like the pieces that they sent. So I had a fit, and they watched the video. So they're being more careful on the jewelry that they send me. Okay, so here is the bundle. Very small bundle. So here is the bundle unwrapped. Got some green, navy, I think that's black or dark gray, and some jeans. So let's go ahead and get right to the try-on. So the first two things that they sent me are these leg jeggings. I was going to say leggings, but these are jeggings and this top. Let's talk about the top first. This top is called the Sophia. It is made by Sheila Rose. It is 95% spandex. I'm sorry, 95% rayon and 5% spandex. They would like $22.49 for this top. It is in the color mauve. It's very soft. It's also a little bit see-through, but the proper undergarments, you'll be fine. It has some lace detail. Now it does say in my profile, no embroidery or lace or anything like that, because I have pets that'll get snagged and ruined. But that is a pretty little detail. It's very clingy, I have to say. This really doesn't do anything for me. I mean, I think it looks okay. But it just really doesn't do anything for me. You can do the little front tuck. Now let's talk about the jeggings. Now, these jeggings are the Harriet, and they're made by Giovini. They are 76% cotton, 22% polyester, and 2% spandex. They have a nice wide pull-on waistband. It's really nice and wide. It has real pockets on the front and back. We do have distressing, and there is a raw edge. Around the ankle, there is a raw edge. See if I can come over here, you can see it. Has a raw edge. Really tiny pockets in the back. I'd have to see what it looks like when I edit. They're very comfortable. I really do like these. But again, I have to see what they look like in the back, these tiny pockets. Don't they make your butt look bigger? I'm not sure. But, so they would like $22.49 for these, and I think that's fairly reasonable. I do like them. So I'll have to see what they look like from the back. Otherwise, I'll just wear a tunic over it, and then you can't see it. But let's go ahead on to the next item. The next item is this tunic. It is in the color olive green. It is called the Alexia. It is made by Acting Pro. It is 95% polyester and 5% spandex, and they would like $22.49 for this. It does have a keyhole opening here, which I don't know, are we over this? And the sleeves actually are a little too short for me. I do like to cover my arms a little bit more, but I do like the silhouette. I really like the silhouette. It fits very well. But the sleeves are too short. If the sleeves were like down to here, I would probably consider it, or down to even 3/4. But yeah, I do like to cover my upper arms a little bit, so this one is just too short, the sleeves. Otherwise, I like it. Except, well, I don't like this part, but I can get over that, I suppose. But I like the color, I like the fit, but I don't like the sleeves. So let's go ahead and go on to the next item. The next two items are right here. I have this navy blue top, and I have a black pencil skirt. Now, the skirt is interesting because I said no dresses on my profile. And here's a skirt. Anyway, so this pencil skirt is in black. It is very stretchy. The Pencil Me In by Bozzolo is 80% cotton, 15% polyester, and 5% spandex. They would like $22.49 for this. I like it. I have no use for it. I mean, it fits well. The fabric feels very comfortable, very forgiving, but I don't really have a use for it. That's why I said no dresses or skirts on my profile. So, but I mean, it's a nice skirt. If you're looking for a skirt, I do like this one. Now, the top I do like. This is the Naomi by Sheila Rose. It is 92% polyester, 8% spandex, and they would like $22.49 for this. Looks like everything is $22.49 today. The only thing I don't like are the crisscross. I just think that it's starting to go out of style. I mean, I like the way the shirt fits. I don't know. I never really did like these. So I would have to cut them off, but I don't want to spend $22.49 for something I'm just going to start cutting on. So there's that to think about. They also sent some socks. These are the Dana socks in green. They are $13.49. They're very cute with slices of watermelon in this really pretty coral color with the watermelon, some green toes. Very, very cute. I've never really been into very cute socks. I don't know, maybe I should give it a go. But, so yeah, let's go ahead and recap everything I got. Okay, so let's talk about what they sent me this month. It is always an adventure. You always wonder if they're actually looking at your profile. And I don't know what is so hard about, oh, she doesn't want lace or embroidery. Don't send that to her. It should be that easy. But it's always an adventure with these guys. So let's talk about the earrings that they sent. These they want $16.19 for, which they're nice. They're not too heavy, but they're also not too light, if you know what I mean. I do like them, and I may keep them if I don't like the pants. If I don't like the way they look from behind, then I'll probably get these. But otherwise, I will send them back. And these bags, you can keep them if you like. And you can put a bath bomb in there if they have sprinkles or herbs or rose petals in it. That way it doesn't float around in your water or clog up your drain. The socks. Very, very cute. I wear white socks. And if I wear dress pants, I wear socks that match the pants. So, I'm going to say no to the socks, even though they are really cute. But I think $13.49 is a bit much for one pair of socks. I mean, if it was like a 2-pack or a 3-pack for that price, then I may consider it. So I'm going to say no to this because it's over $13. The pants. I really like the pants. Though my kitty just walked on them and there's a bunch of fur, but after you wash them, that may go away. I do like them. I like the way they look from the front and the side. I have to see what they look like from behind. So, and I really do like these. If I were to keep them, the $9.78 would be applied to this purchase, and then these would only cost me $12.71. So these might be a keeper. The mauve top, they want $22.49 for. They want $22.49 for everything today. I didn't like the way it felt. It didn't feel like it hung properly on me. You know, standing upright and all perfect and everything, sure, it's going to look halfway decent, but as soon as you sit down or anything like that, then it wouldn't. Plus, it has this on it, which I said in my profile, no embroidery, no lace, no anything like that. So this is going to be a no. This green tunic. I did like the tunic. It had the keyhole, which I suppose I can overlook the keyhole. But the sleeves were too short. And, you know, spring is coming. I won't be wearing long sleeves for very much longer. But the sleeves are too short. So I'm going to say no to this one. The blue shirt, I loved the way it fit. I liked the neckline. It was long enough. the fabric won't attract, you know, too much pet hair. But it had all of these ties going across the front. So I'm going to say no to this one too. I think this one's just a little bit dated. The pencil skirt. It fit. I liked the pencil skirt, but I have no need for a pencil skirt. I am at home 99% of the time. I go to town when I have errands to run or I want to meet my girlfriend for lunch, but that is, you know, I mean, and I'm not going to wear a pencil skirt to go see her either. Your friends are where you can be the most comfortable. No, anyway, no, I don't need a pencil skirt. So I'm going to say no to the pencil skirt. So basically it's down to the pants and the earrings. If I like the way the pants look from behind, then I will keep the pants. If I don't keep the pants, then I will keep the earrings. So that is what they sent me this month. I am glad you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.